Amazing, guys, amazing. I found another beautiful signal. So let's open this trade over here. This one is going up. So yeah, I've been following this trade, and now this one is going up. So guys, as usual, I'm using the same strategy that I usually use to predict uh something like the next 8 or 7 candles. The same strategy is based on this different indicators with parabolic SAR, the RSI, the RSI, and the bollinger bands. And sometimes I use moving average, and especially the chart patterns. So the chart patterns, everything is explained in the course in the description below. If you want to learn, guys, this strategy, I invite you to go and take a look at it. And yeah, so let's see the first win. Great, the first win. All right, let's open the second trade. The second trade is based on the previous one. All right, this one also is going up. So here the market is creating um a green candle, right? A green candle. I'm 100%. So yeah, so my investment is $400. My expected profit, if my prediction is wrong, I'm losing $400, right? I'm losing $400. If my prediction is right, I'm making $384. That's 60 or 96%. All right, 96%. Great. 96%. Yeah, I'm investing, as you can see, $400 with expiration time, 1 minute expiration time. And yeah, let's take this win. Great. $384. Let's go. The second trade, or the third. Yeah, this one is the third trade. Here I'm 100% that this one is gonna be a red candle, right? A red candle. I'm trading with the 1 minute chart pattern. As you can see here, you can choose the indicators, different indicators. As usual, if you've been following me, you know that I trade with Euro USD as usual, always Euro USD. Sometimes I like Pound USD, sometimes I like some other assets, but most of the time I trade with Euro USD. Great. Yeah, let's see. Here the market is going down. Yeah, I'm predicting that the market is going down. So just as expected here, I invested $400 and I'm making another. So 1 second, and I'm making, as you can see, $384. Let's open another trade. This one is going up. Great. This candle's expected to be a green candle. So I predict the exact color of this candle, this one, and I need, or I still have 3 or 4, the next 4 candles, right? The next 4 candles. I will try to predict the colors, and I will make profit from my predictions. If you know the color of the candle, you know you can make win, right? If you predict here, for example, you think that this one is going to be a red candle, you can open just here, open your sell position or a sell order, and the market will close under, like this case, under your buying price, and you will make a win, like here. In this case, I know that I'm having a red candle. Yeah, this one is 100% going to be red. So if you've been following me and you've been using my strategy, you know why I'm 100% sure. Why here in this case I wasn't 100% sure, but here I'm 100% sure. Yeah, if you've been following me, you know why. All right, if you got my course, guys, please try the last chapter. You will find the advanced level of the strategy. I will explain everything, and yeah, hopefully you will learn the strategy, and you will learn how to apply the rules from this strategy. So I still have 5 seconds. I'm making 384. Wait a minute. Yeah, just as expected. I was 100%. Let's open another trade. So the trend is continuing. All right, here we have a red candle. Sure. Yeah. I will make a video, guys, for you to show you how I withdraw. If you want me to show you how to withdraw large amounts, please comment and I will do it. Amazing. Right, amazing. This one is going down. So guys, be careful. There's plenty of scammers out there that will try to sell you signals that will pretend to be me. I will never contact you directly, and I will never ask you for money or try to sell you signals. I will never do it. I only have my course available on my website. That's it. I don't have this kind of yeah. Also, here we're still having a downtrend. I guess I still have the next candle. Yeah, this one and the next candle, and perhaps, yeah, perhaps this will be the last one. Yeah, this one. Wait a minute. This one is going to be the last one. Let's see the position and the size of this candle, and I will decide here which direction the market is taking the next minute. If we having a buy position or sell position, this depends on this kind of the color of this candle and the size of this candle, position of the RSI, the SAR, sorry, the RSI. Like in this case, yeah. So you see this candle, this indicate that we having a green candle coming here. All right, and this gonna be the last trade for me for today. Yeah, I will remember, guys, I'm not a financial advisor. This video is made for entertainment purposes only. This is not financial advice. Yeah, so as expected, we are seeing a creation of green candle. Yep, a green candle is coming over here. All right, amazing. Great. Yeah. All right, guys, see you later.